Welcome to our talk show for today, Level Up the Power of Training and Development. We will discuss about the use of training and development program to enhance their skills and achieve career advancement while helping their organization succeed. Now, we welcome our four guests for the day, Ms. Atienza, Mr. Agumaa, Ms. Acol, and Ms. Bartolay. For our first guest, Ms. Atienza, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Avila. I'm happy to be here to your show.
Let's start with the basic question. What is training process for you?
So the training process is a step-by-step method used by companies to improve their employee skills. So the process consists of four primary steps, which begin with the needs assessment phase, followed by the training design and training implementation, and result evaluation as the final stage.
Why do companies need training programs?
So, training exists because it enables employees to work more effectively while decreasing errors and boosting the work efficiency. So the program provides essential skills which employees need to perform their future work responsibilities.
Wow, what an interesting answer for you, Ms. Atienza. Now, what is training needs
So the
analysis?
training needs analysis, or TNA, is the process of identifying what skills or knowledge employees need to improve.
Can you give us some simple examples?
So the company will provide employees with communication skills training who need to overcome their difficulties during the customer service interaction.
Thank you, Ms. Atienza. Your information was extremely helpful.
Pag kailangan ng gamot, huwag mahihiyang magtanong. Kung may right med ba nito? May right med ba nito? Pag may kailangan gamot, huwag mahihiyang magtanong. Kung may right med ba nito? Ang right med ay premium na gamot na kayang bilhin. Dahil gusto namin na gumaling kayo.
Now, for our second segment and our second guest is Mr. Agoma. Can you please come to the stage, please?
Hello everyone, so thank you for inviting me to this event today. Thank you for having me here.
Now, Mr. Aguma, what are the training objectives which you want to
Training objectives are the goals that the training program wants to achieve. So they guide what employees should learn.
The establishment of precise objectives carries significant value because it enables organizations to track their progress towards successful training implementation.
Training purposes need clear objectives which provide guidance and measure training success.
The development of an effective training program requires you to understand specific objectives and selecting suitable training techniques. And also, it creates training materials.
Employees learn through four common training methods which include lectures, hands-on training, group discussion, and online learning.
Which training has the highest efficiency?
Hands-on training is often the most effective because employees learn by doing.
Thank you, Mr. Agoma, for joining us here on the stage.
Pagbibili ng gamot, dapat subok, dapat trusted, dapat dekalidad. Unilab yan. Pagbibili ng gamot, sigurado
trusted quality healthcare. Unilab yan.
Pag 3 pataas, mag-Bonakid Preschool. 3 plus pag 3 pataas, mag-Bonakid Preschool. 3 plus.
Kaya moms, mag-3 pataas na sila. Bigyan sila ng Bonakid Preschool 3 Plus for a triple boost advantage in growth, energy, and immunity.
Pag 3 pataas, mag-Bonakid Preschool. 3 plus, batang may laban.
Now, for our third guest, please welcome Miss Akol.
Oh, good day. I'm happy to be present here.
Now, Miss Akol, which tool exists for training purposes?
Function as educational instrument that assists learning and their students while increasing their retention of knowledge.
Can you give us an example?
So people can use video, PowerPoint, manual, and stimulate as a visual type of training materials.
Now, Miss Akol, I'm curious. How do these tools help in learning?
Training process become more interactive because their tools create a better learning experience which enables students to understand material matters.
What is management training, Miss Akol?
The program aids to develop a management ability include both leadership skills and decision-making experience.
Why is leadership training is important?
Effective leadership serve as role model who lead their teams toward become successful outcome which is the benefits of their organizations.
What happens if managers are not trained?
The result will be cause of management to systematical choose who will be decrease of workers instabilities and result in decision outcome.
Thank you, Miss Akol. You have great insights.
Sinabon mo, ngunit kulang.
Bakit ganon? Sinabon ko naman. Ayaw kuminis.
Girl, tama ng drama. After washing your face, use Eskinol.
It cleans teeth to help remove pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads.
Ang linis nga. That's why it's makinis. Linis, linis.
Eskinol cleans teeth for linis, skinny skin.
Brush, 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 3 times a day. Brush, brush, brush to keep cavities away. Brush, 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 3 times a day. Brush with Colgate. Shake, 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 stop. Pagagising, brush, brush, brush. Dalawa. Sa tanghali, brush, brush, brush. Tatlo. Bago matulog, brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Shake, shake, shake. Brush, 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 3 times a day. Brush with Colgate.
Number 1 brand recommended by dentists.
Now, for our final guest, the stage warmly welcomes you, Miss Bartolay.
I appreciate your invitation because I am happy to be here with you today.
Please explain the concept of training policies and procedures to me.
The rules of the guidelines establish provision which maintain training order while treating all training participants with equal rights, and they must be applied throughout the entire training duration.
Why do companies need them?
Their function is to sustain operational standards while delivering essential training to all staff members.
For you, Miss Bartolay, what is training evaluation?
The process of evaluating training success establishes whether training achieved its intended in educational goals.
Now, Miss Bartolay, I'm curious about how do companies evaluate training?
Organizations should gather feedback about their training programs, which will help them to improve their training methods in the future.
Thank you, Miss Bartolay. You have the most wonderful answers that I've heard from the day. Hi! Kamusta? Ako nga pala si Nobita. Ngayong araw natutunan natin ang training process which is included ang objectives nito, methods, tools, and evaluation methods. Training and development are very important because they help both employees and companies grow. Ha? Thank you nga pala, ako si Mickey Mouse. Sa ating mga guests, salamat din sa pagpunta. Miss Atienza, Mr. Agumaa, Miss Akol, and Miss Bartolay. And we want to express our gratitude to the audience who came to see us today. Once again, I'm Mickey. Hi, ako nga pala si Nobita. And I am your host, Liam Avila. And remember, training is not just an expense. It is an investment in success. Ito nga po pala si Goku. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!